This is the tall and skinny blinds that I'm going to install today. They're Bali brand, Northern Heights 2-inch wood blinds. It's actually, the ones I got are fake wood. It's a width of 35 1/4 inches. That's the opening of the window. And then by a height to 76 tall. And the color is Wheatfield's 1850, which is a really nice color. And it's going to cost me $209.23 each, for a total of $418.46 for 2 of them. And I ordered mine from Home Depot. There's quite a bit of different options you can get on them, so you might want to research that before you order them, what exactly you want. Now the first thing that I've done is put the side bracket on the right side in the place where I want it, and I've marked some holes on the wall. And then I'll go ahead and drill those holes out. I'll put one on the left side as well. And on this window, it's really narrow, so I'm not gonna worry about a center bracket to support it in the middle. I've got my holes marked on my left side. I'll drill those out as well. And I'll go ahead and tighten down my screws. So there we've got our side brackets mounted. Now the new blind just slides right in. I'm gonna leave it hanging out just a little bit though, because I want to put my clips for the valance on first. So I'll put one clip for the valance over here. I'll put one in the middle. And these just clamp on really easily. Or they just kind of snap in. There we go. All right, so we got 3 of them on there now. And then I take my valance and mark the back side of it where the other mounting brackets need to mount into the valance. And then these pieces just spin into place. I'll go ahead and finish putting the blinds in the rest of the way and closing up the mounting brackets on the sides. And then the valance just slides on up and clicks into place. It just stays there. And there it is, all done. Looks really nice. It's pretty simple if you don't have to install the center support.